Jason here with Nielsen Communications, showing off our new command truck for Fall River Fire Department. This is a first-in products custom console we installed to house both radios with the future space for a third radio and also a custom cut for the siren control head. We have two VHF radios for when on scene they can talk to the county and still have command. We also have a Sound Off 400 series controller to control the siren and the lights. Underneath the rear seat, we installed both radio transceivers and the brain box for the siren controller. We've also installed two charge guards for voltage protection and timer. There's also a fuse block to protect all of the electrical. Mounted on the back of the radio, we have two vehicle chargers for portable radios so that when the customer needs to charge their radios, they have constant power ready to go. On all three doors, we installed accessory lighting to light up the compartments. Being that it's a command unit, it has a pull-out tray, and we put two radio heads back here that are tied to the radio heads in the front. For vehicle upfitting services, call 920-494-1828.